Hi guys, we have a bit of break in the rain, so I thought I'd come out here and plant these 3 Emerald Green Arborvitae, hopefully before it starts raining again. It's been raining off and on for the last several days, and I've been wanting to get these in, and they are Emerald Green Arborvitae. They can grow up to 15 feet high and 4 feet wide. So we have chosen to place them 4 feet from the wall and 4 feet from each other, just to give them some breathing room and space to, eventually they'll fill in. I don't know how long it's going to take. I wanted to let you know, in the corner we used to have a locust tree. When we bought the house, it was already here, so I'm thinking the locust tree was probably 30 years old when it died, because we had to have it removed. It was diseased. It had a white mold growing at the base of it, and we tried to treat it, and it just kept coming back, and we could tell it was becoming compromised. So we knew that it had to come out, otherwise we ran the risk of it breaking and going into our neighbor's yard, and there's a business behind us, and we didn't want that to happen. So that's probably, and we enjoyed the locust tree. It was gorgeous. It was probably 40 feet tall, and had this great umbrella effect, and I'm trying to think here. It's probably been gone about 4 or 5 years now. Anyway, so we've wanted to put something here in the corner, and we've chosen something that's evergreen, that will not make a mess every year, and that will eventually provide some screening. You might hear some doves while I'm planting them, and that's only because our neighbor behind us that has a windmill, he has somewhat of a dove shelter, a dove coop, and from time to time he'll let them out, and they'll fly around in a circle, and they'll notice just to come right back to him. So you might hear that in the background while we start planting these. And also, I'm going to use some gypsum along with some Bio-Tone, because a lot of the parts of our yard, you'll dig so far and you can only go down, 5-6 inches, and so this helps break down the soil and allows the roots to kind of take hold. All right, I'm going to begin. Just as I was finishing planting this one up, a storm cloud came over, so I had to shut everything down because I don't have an awning up. And you can see now that it's sunny, which is good, so I'm going to just start on the next one. Well, I think that does it for the 3 Emerald Green Arborvitae. I'm excited to see what they'll do for the spring. There is a sprinkler head underneath those weeds, flowers. Really, I call them a weed, but I think they naturalize over here. I don't even know the name of them, but the pink ones for sure I've seen sold at the garden center. Sorry. And as soon as I clean up, I'll water them all in, and we'll see what they do. We're going to trim back the oleander a bit so it has a little bit of breathing room and some space to grow, and it'll give me an opportunity to come in here and put some more perennials and some annuals. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.